Hey, we are looking for someone interesting. Someone who enjoys talking to people, asking questions, and actually wants to know the story behind what's happening. If you're comfortable speaking in English, Kasi, and Hindi, enjoy conversations, and don't mind being on camera, this might be for you. You don't need to be perfect, but you should be curious. You should like learning things before talking about them. And you should know how to keep a conversation engaging. This isn't a fixed hours job. Some days are calm, some days are busy. So flexibility is important. You need to be ready when things happen. If you like meeting new people, discovering stories, and turning everyday moments into something worth watching, this is your opportunity. Interested? Apply and let's talk.